Iggy Azalea has canceled her Pittsburgh Pride performance after many participants threatened to boycott the event because of her scheduled presence. A lot of people were not happy with Miss Iggy Azalea after some controversial tweets she sent out about the LGBT community. Well, Miss Iggy Azalea is now canceling her Pittsburgh Pride performance. Iggy announced yesterday that she will no longer be making an appearance at the celebration in a lengthy statement on Twitter saying, quote, "I will no longer be performing at Pittsburgh Pride on June 13th. This has been a difficult decision as I truly support the event and LGBTIQA communities. However, I feel my participation at this point would only serve to further distract from the true purpose of the event. I'm a firm believer in equality. Unfortunately, in the past as a young person, I used words I should not have. The last thing I want is for something so carelessly said to be interpreted as reflective of my character. I meant no harm and deeply regret ever uttering those words. As an adult, I would never use them because I understand they play a detrimental role in the fight for issues that I do truly believe in." And that tweet that Iggy was apologizing for said, "When guys whisper in each other's ears, I always think it's kind of homo. And I wondered why my butt felt like it was about to grow legs, flip me off, and walk away. Then I remembered I played soccer yesterday with 5 dyke." The tweets have since been deleted, thank goodness. Upon hearing that Iggy was performing at Pittsburgh's Pride, several supporters announced that they would be boycotting the celebration. So what do you guys think about all of this? Did Iggy do the right thing by not performing at the event? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe. And also click right over here in this box to check out a rundown of all of the celebrities who've dissed Miss Iggy Azalea. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm your girl, Erin Robinson, and I'll see you next time. For more Iggy, click to the left for a rundown of little-known facts you may not know about her, or click to the right to check out our picks for some of the best music collabs of 2015.